Hey you guys, Cliff Jones, Mindful Motorcycling, checking in, and I got a killer review on what I think is the perfect GoPro mount. Now, I have messed around with a lot of GoPro mounts, just like you. I don't like a lot of Farkles, but I'm going to show you this rig because I just tested it and it worked. Just reviewed a couple of the videos I shot up, these twisties. You'll be able to see this in one of my other videos here. But check out this mount. So I just got this. And what you're looking at here is a RAM mount. Got this a couple weeks ago, I think, between this rig right here, which mounts with a couple of bolts, a little bit of glue, super secure, ball here, arm here. Just bought this part. This is, a part I just added here. This ball goes to this arm. Just ordered that, and I think it was about $7. But again, always do my best to put the links in the videos. I gotta say, this particular screw, this doesn't allow me to bolt in tight. So I had to use kind of a shim here. I don't know if you can see it well. Do my best to shoot it. Kind of a shim to get that firm, and it's still rocking back and forth. Now, I think it's pretty secure now, but it's not perfect. So I've tightened it here as much as I can. It's not falling back there. I think it's tilting back this way. But overall, this is a super clean setup. Because the field of view is good. Now, normally I would have one on the chin exterior of my helmet, so it's center. But when the rider's doing that, we are moving with the bike. The helmet, the head is moving with the bike. If we're riding properly, that takes away some of the lean angle effect in the video. So it'll be interesting to see what the lean angle and the actual outcome of this video footage is. But I'm very pleased with very affordable. This was $7 setup here. Total was about $80 until you get to the GoPro, which was, I think, about, I don't know, $300. So, anyway, Cliff Jones, Mindful Motorcycling. Hope that helps. If you like this video, leave me a review. Leave me a little subscribe action if you like my videos. Give me some encouragement. Get over my head trash here about these video hacks. Cliff Jones, Mindful Motorcycling, over and out.